What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double Level, and we're going to be talking about expanding your hard drive space on your Xbox. This is going to be a SSD drive by Seagate Gaming Game Drive for the Xbox. So if before you jump into that new game, that large game, that #1 game that you've been anticipating, you want to make sure that you have enough drive space, internal hard drive space on your hard drive so you can launch that new game. So one of the ways you can do that is by getting a SSD, external hard drive, to move around your games. You want to take those original Xbox games, those Gen 1 games, move them over to external hard drive, and that way you'll have some internal hard drive space on your internal SSD so you can play that big new game. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what it looks like. I'll show you how to connect it. So you get that 1 month trial to Game Pass Unlimited. Super dope. I have to give that away. Then you get your user manual, quick start guide, all those things that you need. And this here is going to be the drive itself. Really, really small. I mean, fits in the palm of my hand. That's how small the SSD drive is. This is going to be your USB cable. USB 3, of course. Now, connecting your drive is really simple. You want to take a look at the back of your Xbox. Connect this into the hard drive. Then this is going to be going into the USB port, USB 3 port on the back of your Xbox. From there, it's that simple because this is designed to work with Xbox. It even says Xbox on the drive, so it's plug and play and it's ready to go. If you have any problems, just restart your Xbox and you should be good to go. Now you can move around those games onto your SSD. Now the preferable option is also to look at the Seagate expandable slot drive, SSD drive, to go in your expandable slot. That's going to give you that same type of capability as the internal SSD, and that way you'll be able to play those brand new games and load them up on your Xbox without running out of storage. So this is the option. You have your expandable hard drive, and once you get that together, you'll be ready to game. All right, guys, so this is going to be the Seagate SSD Game Drive for Xbox. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps you make your decision. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.